In this video, we're going to be playing the A flat scale. This is the scale that comes after the C sharp or the D flat. And now we're doing A flat, or known as a G sharp. I'm going to be talking about it like the A flat. That's how I know this note really well, as A flat. That's how I learned it, and that's how I'm going to teach it. If you know it as G sharp, I'll try to say sharp as much as I can as well. But this is considered as the A flat scale to me. So let's begin. We find A flat, this one, and now we build the scale. So pause the video right now and try to build the scale on your keyboard right now as a whole tone, half tone, whole tone, half tone. And then, that's going up, and then you could go back down as well. Half tone, whole tone, half tone, whole tone. So if you've already done that, I'm going to actually play it right now. So we got whole tone, half tone, whole tone, half tone. We go down, half tone, whole tone, half tone, whole tone. So the notes for the scale is going to be A flat, B flat, C, D flat, E flat, F, G, A flat. Then we go down, A flat, G, F, E flat, D flat, C, B flat, A flat. Those are the notes for the scale. So we're going to play it one octave, same fingerings, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1. So let's play it together. A flat, B flat, C, D flat, E flat, F, G, A flat. Go down. A flat, G, F, E flat, D flat, C, B flat, A flat. Practice one hand until you can play up and down one octave. Excellent. Once you have done that, now we're going to move on to playing it 2 octaves. Since 1 octave is already, we feel comfortable with it. Now play right hand 2 octaves. This is where our 4th finger will go, is going to be half note below the tonic, or half a step below the tonic. In this case, it's going to be G. So we go A flat, half a step down, it would be G. Right here. That's where our 4th finger will go while we go up the entire way. The 2 octaves, 3 octaves, 4 octaves, it just repeats and repeats and repeats. Our 4th finger is always played G, and G is always played on the 4th finger. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, right here. 1, 2, 3. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And we go down. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. 4, 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. So let's play it again. Let's play it slower, so we know how to play 2 octaves. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now let's go down. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. 4, 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. Very excellent. Very good. Now play 2 octaves with one hand. You can pause the video if you need to, and play it until you know it fairly well. Excellent. Once the right hand is comfortable playing 2 octaves, now we play 2 octaves with the left hand playing the same exact notes. So it's going to be A flat, B flat, C, D flat, E flat, F, G, A flat. And we go down. A flat, G, F, E flat, D flat, C, B flat, A flat. There you go. Fingering is going to be 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1, and then 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, just like all other basic scales. So let's play 1 octave again, up and down. Excellent. Once the left hand is comfortable playing 1 octave, now we move on to 2 octaves. Our 4th finger is going to be the 2nd note, because our hand is going this way, In this case, it's going to be B flat. So A flat, B flat. That's how it works. And every single note you hit B flat would be with the fourth finger. So keep that in mind. Fourth. And we go down. Fourth. Fourth. Good. So practice the left hand until you can play 2 octaves up and down fairly comfortable. Let's play it again. Excellent. Once the left hand could be played 2 octaves and the right hand, now they're comfortable playing separately. Now we're going to play them together, both hands playing the A flat major scale. So we're going to start with A flat, and we're going to move up all the way to A flat, 1 octave, and then we're going to go down. And down. Excellent. Once that is done, when you can play 1 octave fairly well, now we're going to move on to 2 octaves, where we know where our fourth fingers are played. The left hand is played on the next one, which is B flat, and the right one is played on G. Let's play 2 octaves. You should already be familiar with the fingerings and how the scale is built and played with going 2 octaves or 3 octaves, because I'll repeat with the fingers and the form and positions. So you should have that down pretty well. If you could play 2 octaves, A flat scale pretty well. Now we're going to move on to 4 octaves, playing 25 times skipping and 25 times straight. Excellent. That was 25 times skipping. Now let's play it 25 times straight. Very good. Once you have played it 50 times up and down, 25 skipping, 25 times straight, you are done with the A flat major scale. And you are ready to move on to the next scale, which is called the E flat scale.